Today I'm going to show you how to make an air hose reel on the cheap. So what you're going to need is your 50-foot hose. Got to be a rubber hose. Thinking those plastic or vinyl hoses aren't going to be flexible enough to go on the reel. This is just one of those cheap extension cord reels, and I'm going to put it on a block of wood to make it heavier, a little more balanced, because I figure when I'm pulling on this thing it's so light it's just going to want to fall over. So on this reel that I got, that hole, I added that hole because what I want to do, added this hole here. So what I want to do is I want the hose to go through this and come out this way. You can see this is spinning separately, and I wanted the hose to come out, and then the hose will actually spin, but in the end I'll show you that it's not going to matter. So anyways, first thing you're going to do is cut a big hole, drill a big hole in the reel. Mount this up. I went ahead and laid my hose out on the floor. That way it makes sure it's got all of its memory out. It's not trying to, the hoses want to have a little memory. They want to kink up in a certain way. So laid it out so it's nice and relaxed and just laying out on the floor. Start with the air compressor end. However long you have this sticking out, that's how long you're going to have to reach your air compressor. Now, the fitting just spins in the coupler here, so you don't have to worry about it kinking up at all. And that's it. Just for a bunch of stuff I had laying around the garage. Already had the hose, already had the extension cord reel. You can pick those up cheap, and just scrap piece of lumber. The lumber's not necessary, just helps give it some weight and some stability. So anyways guys, hopefully this helps shave you a few bucks. So thanks for watching.